Carlson Retractable Gate. Included parts are retractable gate, 6 wall spacers, 10 1-inch screws and plastic wall anchors, 10 2-inch screws and plastic wall anchors, 1 lower gate mount, 1 upper gate mount, 2 handle mounts, paper wall mounting template A and paper wall mounting template B. Recommended tools are a screwdriver, a drill, a pencil, and a hammer. Cut the paper wall mounting template at the dotted line. Use the paper wall mounting template to help you mark the exact locations to attach the gate mounting parts. Smooth the template so it's flush with the wall. Mark the location of the screw holes of the gate mounting parts through the template and onto the wall. Repeat on the opposite side of the wall mounting template to help you mark the exact locations to attach the handle mount. Remove the template to reveal the markings you made. For wall stud surfaces, drill a 1/8 inch 3mm hole through guide mark. For drywall surfaces, drill a 1/4 inch 6mm hole through guide marks and insert plastic wall anchors. Drill all marked holes. Align upper and lower gate mounts and handle mounts to designated area by using screwdriver to fasten 1-inch screws. Align upper and lower gate mounts and handle mounts to designated areas by using the screwdriver to fasten 1-inch screws. To attach retractable gate, align bottom of gate onto lower gate mount while sliding down. With bottom of gate connected to lower gate mount, push top of gate towards upper gate mount to secure in place. Unlock to open gate. Extend gate by pulling gate handle to handle mounts and hooking onto upper and lower handle mounts. To lock gate in place, push down on upper cap and turn counterclockwise until stopped. Make sure gate is locked by checking green indicator window. Enjoy your new gate.